This is the single leg, same leg. With this, you're gonna jump off one leg and land on that same exact leg. Make sure you're sticking that landing. This is really gonna emphasize on your balance and your coordination as well as your explosiveness.
These are ski jumps. Now, you're just gonna get down like a catcher, just like this. You're gonna jump as high and far over as you can laterally. Now, usually when I jump, I like to use a line, just so I have something to jump across or jump over, and then you can kind of test where you're at and how much you're improving. So if I were to test myself in this line, I would be able to say, okay, I'm gonna jump 2 yards, and then as I get better, 3 yards, and so on. So I'm coming here, we're jumping as high and far over laterally, back and forth. And as you go, you'll notice yourself being able to jump a little farther.
Seated goblet squats, single leg. You're gonna start with a goblet squat position. You're gonna sit down, alternating legs. Sit down, amortization phase, explode up. Sit down, amortization phase, explode up. Single leg lateral hops. Now, like I said, you're gonna do this for 10 seconds. Now, as you already know, tracking and measuring is the key to this workout. You need to be able to count how fast you can do things, so every single week you notice yourself getting better. And as your times go up, you're gonna be quicker and you're gonna start breaking more ankles. So the first one we're gonna do is single leg lateral, and you're gonna count every time you cross the line. So you're gonna stand on one leg, you're gonna get a line, and a partner. You're gonna go for 10 seconds. Your partner counts every time you cross. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go 10 total seconds. Now you're gonna do it on your right leg. So this is the first exercise, 10. And then you're gonna do it also on your left leg. Now one of the legs is gonna be a little easier than the other. Mine, it's easier on my right leg. So you're gonna count every time you cross the line. All right, this next jump is what I call the scissor jump. Now there's two variations. One's the lunge jump, one's the scissor jump. The lunge jumps are a little bit easier than the scissor jumps. So a lunge jump, all you're gonna do is you're gonna get down in a lunge, just like this. You're gonna jump, and you're gonna alternate your legs in the air and land back into a sprinter stance. So it's here, down, and you're just gonna switch. Now, the more advanced way is the scissor jump. So you're actually gonna kick your legs now. So it's here, and those are the scissor jumps. So be sure you have the right core strength, be sure you have the proper balance, and make sure you can do these exercises before you move on to the more advanced version. This next exercise is your single leg butt kick. All you're gonna do is you're gonna stand on one leg, you're gonna jump off that leg, and you're gonna kick your butt with the same leg that you jumped off of. So here's what it looks like. Now, there is another variation to it. It's a double leg butt kick. So you're gonna do the same type of thing. Now you're just gonna jump, you're gonna get some air, and you're gonna kick your butt with both feet. So it's here, and those are your butt kicks. These are cheerleaders. Start jumping almost like a big jumping jack. Jump as wide as you can with your hands and your legs, and then slowly work your way out and try and touch your toes while landing softly. Bulgarian split squats, variation 1. Now in this one, I'm extremely stretched out. I'm doing Bulgarian split squat with my leg up on a bench, and I'm slowly going down, slowly going up, stretching out those muscles at a good tempo, regular tempo, over exaggerating that stride on variation 1.